Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how monthly dividend stocks work and how they can create passive income every month. Monthly dividend stocks are stocks or funds that pay dividends to shareholders every month instead of every quarter. This makes them popular among income-focused investors because they can provide a more regular cash flow. First, an investor buys shares through a broker or investment app. When you purchase shares, you become a partial owner of that company or fund, and if you meet the required conditions, you may qualify to receive dividend payments. Next, the company or fund earns income from its business activities. For example, monthly dividend payers may earn money from rents, loans, utilities, or other recurring income sources. Common examples include REITs, BDCs, income funds, and covered call ETFs. After that, the company declares a dividend. This means it announces the dividend amount and the important dates investors need to know. The declaration date is when the dividend is announced, the ex-dividend date is the date you must own the shares before to qualify, and the payment date is when the cash is sent to shareholders. Then, if you own the shares on time, the dividend is paid into your brokerage account every month. For example, if you own 100 shares and each share pays 10 cents monthly, your monthly dividend income would be $10. After receiving the dividend, you have two choices. You can take the cash and use it as passive income, or you can reinvest it through a DRIP plan. Reinvesting means the dividend is used to buy more shares automatically, which may help grow future dividend income through compounding. Over time, your monthly income can grow if you buy more shares, reinvest dividends, or the company increases its payout. However, it is important to remember that dividends are not guaranteed, and companies can reduce or stop payments if business conditions change. Before investing, always check important factors such as dividend yield, payout sustainability, business quality, dividend history, taxes, and fees. Also remember the key risks. Share prices can fall, dividends can be cut, and a very high yield can sometimes mean higher risk. So, the simple formula is, monthly dividend income equals the number of shares multiplied by the dividend per share. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.